Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me. I'm super excited because I went thrifting today and I wanted to go ahead and share. So this is an extra little thrifty video today. I just had a lot of fun today. I went grocery shopping. I always stop by this one thrift store on my way to the grocery store. And I've already listed a few things in my shop, so I wanted to share because they're Christmassy. So I found some let's see, let me put that out of the way. Some retro kind of vintage, they are vintage, I believe, Christmas cards, and they also look kind of retro. So here are the 6 different Christmas cards I found. They are new, like never opened in boxes, but look how brown this one is. So you know they've been around for a while, right? Look at that. It was folded like this, you know, where you can see on the bottom of the box, you can see the sentiment, you know what I mean? That's how it was. So these are not like Hallmark cards or anything like that, but they are, I mean, the geese were popular, like, I think, was it early 80s maybe? Not sure. I don't know. I don't think it was 70s. It was sometime in the 80s, I believe. I just remember people in my family collecting the geese, there was geese everything, like measuring spoons and this, that, and the other I think it was in the 80s. So anyway, cute Christmas cards. Here's the 6 different patterns I have, and these are listed in my shop. So it's a set of 6 assorted, you know what I mean? I thought that would be fun. So like here's one with the poinsettia, and so like each one comes with an envelope. Like this one comes with a green envelope, but I think these are all sealed shut. So the green ones here, I mean, you can get these open if you want to wet them or steam them. See, it's not totally sealed, but it is definitely sealed. So on that one, the green ones, I think they're all sealed. This one's really cute. This one might be my favorite as far as, well, no, there's another one but there's 2 favorites I have here. So here is this one with the little children and the pretty wreath. And here's the inside. And here's the envelope. So this one, I think most of these are open, but I'm not guaranteeing that any of the envelopes will be unsealed, but like they probably mostly are, except for this green one. So just trying to make sure I give you all the information. So here's a pretty one with a basket of poinsettias and a pretty bow. This is a dark green. I don't know what color is coming through on the video, but this is like a hunter green back here. And then this is more of a bright green down here where I guess this is all supposed to be like a Christmas tree, like evergreens back there. So here's the pretty inside. It's got a little decoration over here. It's got a basket of poinsettias on the back, and this envelope is open. So I put, let's see, I think I put that I have 8 sets, and I might have more. I just didn't count, you know. Like I just noticed one of the boxes it says 16 in it. So, you know, I will up the amount if I need to, but you know, I don't know if any of them will sell. So I just put 8 for now. Here, let me show you this envelope. Very browned around the edges. So you know these been around for a while, right? This is the goose, Christmas goose here, sitting on a wreath, and she's got a little present and a little bonnet here. May all the special joys of the holiday season be your gifts this season. And there it is. So cute, right? And then this one, this is really pretty right here. I love this wreath with the fruit. It's so pretty. It's just plain pretty there. So this one's got like an embossed kind of on the cover, and let's see the back. See, nothing on the back, just the name of and there's no date on any of these. I looked for a date. This card opened, I mean, this envelope opens. The goose envelope opened, right? Yeah, the goose envelope opened. So I just thought these were really cute. There was more boxes there, but they weren't as cute as these. I just got the cute ones, you know. This is my other favorite right here with Santa Claus and a little girl in his lap reading her Christmas list. And then there you go. And the back on this one's green. That's cool. The same, looks like wrapping paper there. And this envelope, let's see, she is partly open. partly open, and you can probably, I'm not going to try to, you know, if I were keeping this, I would try to open it maybe, but since I'm not using it, I'm going to leave it closed, like leave it how it is. So, and you know, if you get a set of these, you can do, you know, you can work with it if you want to try to get those open. But that's my, here's all the stack here that I have. I took them out of all the boxes so I could maybe keep them in a smaller space, you know, like the boxes were taking up too much room. So to save space, but here's what I have. You can see there's a red and a green envelope, and the rest of them are white or off-white. So anyway, that's my Christmas card discovery today at my local thrift store. And then what else did I find? Well, this I already had. And I'm, you know, today's Saturday, and I've been trying to go through some things, and I found this pillow that I hadn't listed yet. So, and I've sold like 2 other of these in different colors. Every time I find one of these needlepoint pillows, it's a different color. This one's really pretty. The last one I found, I think, had Christmas gifts around it, and it was red and green. This one has these pretty, like, shabby chic looking flowers. Here's the back. The back is always a pretty velvet. I mean, they're always clean. I don't know why people, you know, give them to the thrift store, but I think they're really cute, and they're small. And then I found this beautiful also. This one I found today. This Friends one I've had for, I don't know how long, but anyway, I needed to go ahead and, you know, I have things I need to list on my shop, and that was one of them. So this pretty angel I found today, needlepoint pillow. She's very beautiful. Hopefully the colors are coming through on the camera, but I'm trying to move it around because it's kind of a big, it's 12 by 12. I measured for my listing. It's already, these 2 pillows and the Christmas cards are already in my shop. So because they're, you know, I mean, angel, I guess that doesn't have to be Christmassy. It can be like, some people collect angels, you know what I mean? So those are in my shop. A noisy car going by. Maybe you heard that. Okay, so in one of the Christmas card boxes was, well, this little snowman was in there. So I'm going to put him in my December daily. I'm going to add him to my December daily basket to cut him out, or cut him off of this little box and put him in my December daily. So that's going back here in my December daily basket. And then this, I didn't know what this was. I thought it was some little cards, like little gift tags or something. I was very surprised to find that it was a rubber stamp when I opened the Christmas card box. It included a rubber stamp. Isn't that cute? So you know how I've been painting my rubber stamps in my December daily, if you've been watching those, with my paintbrush markers. I can paint this, and I'm going to use this little, you know, snowman right here as an example of what I can do and the different colors I can use. So I want to try that in my December daily. So that's going in my December daily box. And let's see, I have a couple other things, fun things I found yesterday. Was it yesterday? I think it was yesterday. These 2 things. Oh, before I show you these, let me show you this too. This I found today, a beautiful, like, Victorian looking. This was with the Christmas ornaments. They had 5, you know, not huge baskets, but baskets of ornaments. So I looked through all of them. I didn't buy any except for this one. I thought she was a very beautiful Victorian looking little lady here. And I guess she could be a Christmas ornament, but she's got a hanger here. She's like porcelain. She's got this feather and pink flowers and white flowers, and this little doodad right here. And then the pearls and lace. I mean, this is a very shabby chic Victorian whatever. Isn't she pretty? Let me show her. Let me show you her up close. Very pretty, and look at that lace. And here's the back. She's got, I guess it's, I don't think she's supposed to be an angel. I think she's just a Victorian lady. She's got a pretty gold bow and another little flower right there. I mean, she's even, look at her hair in the back with a little twist there. Super pretty. Anyway, I thought I might use her on a beautiful, as a charm almost, on a tassel. I might try her on a tassel. If I can make a tassel that, you know, would go with, you know, this whole Victorian look here. I got to look through my different, you know, fabrics and laces and things and see what I can come up with. But I think that was my thought. Like, wouldn't she look beautiful on with a tassel, with a beautiful tassel behind her, hanging from a beautiful tassel? So that I found today. These I found yesterday, like I said. These were a mystery at first. I was like, what are these? Are they new? Are they old? But look at their tickets. They're big tickets. So I think they've been around for a little while. Can you see that? See the little cutout here? It looks like a ticket. They're white on the back and they're starting to brown. So like on the front they look new, but on the back they look like they've been around for a while. I thought these would be cute little journaling cards. Or like I'm gonna go ahead and put some in my comic book journals that I'm working on. But I'm working on 2 more, which I have to do a video on, the second and third one yet. But the first one, you know, is in my shop, My Little Pony one. And I reduced the price on that a few dollars today, if you're interested. But I wanted to show you the tag on this. This says 36 bulletin board accents. This was never opened before. I opened it when I got home because I wanted to see, what are these, you know? What do they feel like, type of thing. And I want to read you the little ideas it had on here for these because I thought they were quite interesting. Locker tags, game pieces, memory books, desk tags, awards, crafts, name tags, job assignments, and notes. Those are all the ideas that you can use these for. And I thought that was really cute. Don't know, like maybe they came from some kind of educational store because, you know, actually, yeah, I recognize the website here, and actually I think I know that person. Isn't that funny? But anyway, I know a person that makes things for educational stores and designs things or whatever. But anyway, her name is on here. That's funny. But yeah, these have been around for a while, and yeah, so they were originally made for bulletin boards. Anyway, I thought those were cute. And then these, when I was at the store yesterday, when I got those big tickets, I also found a Candyland game. And it was, you know, not in a good state as far as, you know, it didn't have all its pieces, but it did have these right here. And I thought these were pretty cute to use in journals. These are the little cards that are in a Candyland game, apparently. Because I took them out of the game. I mean, it wasn't together, it wasn't new or anything, but these look kind of new. But yeah, I just thought these would be cute to use somehow in with, you know, you could use them as little tucks, pockets, little journaling cards, you know, different things, like maybe layer on top of them, but all the different colors, and they were kind of plain and small, and I just thought they might be some fun. You could even use them as little tabs on the side of a page, depending. And I thought they might be cute since they're kind of like bright colors, that I could use them in my comic book journals. Oh, there's one with a piece of candy on it. So, oh, there's another one. Yeah, okay. So anyway, that's everything I had to show you today, I think. So I will be back late tomorrow, probably with another video, or later today. But I just wanted to share that real quick. And if you are on Instagram, I'm on Instagram, and I think I have the link below my video, of course. But I'm just turning this down a little bit. The music got louder. But I posted a couple videos today, and I had a lot of fun working with the reels and added music, and that was so much fun. If you guys haven't tried that, and if you want to see mine, I posted a video of my little 3-tiered galvanized tray and my Christmas tree. So I'm Sheree B. Brown on Instagram. So it's Sheree, S-H-E-R-E-E, B as in boy, and Brown, like the color. So Sheree B. Brown. So go over there and check that out. I had a lot of fun making some little reels today. And if you haven't tried it, like I said, you should try it out, because those I just had a ball doing those, and it's just really quick little thing, but it was so much fun because I hadn't done a reel with music before. So thanks for watching today. I'll see you next time. Happy crafting and happy thrifting.